Sound waves have compressions and rarefactions. Explain what is meant by compression and rarefaction. So regions, compression are the regions with greater pressure than normal, and that is why the particles are close together in compression. And rarefactions are the regions with lesser pressure than normal, and that is why the particles are further apart from each other than their normal position. Okay. We can see light from the sun, but we cannot hear any sound from it. State the reason for this. So light does not need a medium to travel. So that is why it travels from the space and we can see the sun. But sound cannot travel without any medium through space, so we cannot hear the sound from the sun. During a thunderstorm, an observer sees the lightning almost immediately before he hears the sound of the thunder several seconds later. The thunder and the lightning are produced at the same time. The sound of the thunder is heard 9 seconds after the lightning is seen. The speed of the sound in air is 340 meters per second. Calculate the distance from the thunderstorm to the observer. तो इसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. So distance is speed multiplied by time. Speed of the sound is 340 and the time it takes to reach the observer is 9 seconds. So answer is 3060, जिसे हम 3100 meters लिख सकते हैं. So in two significant figures, the answer is 3100 meters. Next part, in a lightning strike, there is a current of this much ampere for 48 milliseconds. Time भी given है, current भी given है. Calculate the charge that flows. Formula use करेंगे. Current is equal to charge upon time, which means charge is equal to current multiplied by time. So current is 3.0 10 raised to 4 amperes multiplied by time 48 milliseconds given है, तो हम मिली के लिए 10 raised to -3 से multiply कर लेंगे. हमें मिल जाएगा 1400 coulombs. So the charge that flows is 1400 coulombs in this situation.